Now, it's a lot of sneakers that I pick up that I don't believe deserve its own video. And that had me thinking, how can I show y'all some of my newest pickups without making it 5 videos? Because the honest truth is, some sneakers truly just won't do as well on YouTube if they were solely its own video. Now, as you can see in the thumbnail, man, I got a lot of sneakers that I recently picked up that I cannot wait to talk to y'all about, because some of these have been sent, some of them I even bought, but I think it's a cool collection of sneakers that I really want to get y'all thoughts and opinions on. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number one, man, coming in, we're not gonna waste no time. This was a sneaker brought over from Reebok. I'm super thankful. Shout out to my boy Drew. He always hold me down on the Reebok tip, because Reebok is, in my opinion, sleeper sneakers. And I think that this shoe was definitely a sleeper. Now, I know a lot of people aren't going crazy for the Reebok Question Mid as much as they used to, but I immediately seen this mocha colorway and I was like, yo, bruh, this mocha colorway is fire. And when you think about Reebok, one of the most prominent, one of the best sneakers that they have going for them is the Question Mid. Without question, no pun intended, it's the best silhouette they have over there at Reebok. I think it even does the best when it comes to numbers. And it's a few pair of Question Mids that I needed. The pink toe is one, and this mocha is fire. I think Jordan Brand really made like mocha kind of popular in its own sense, but seeing like this silhouette in the mocha colorway, I think it was a W. Let me know if I'm tripping. Just look how clean this look. Don't hate. Now look, bro. Hey, look. I know, like I say, I know a lot of my respective people that watch these videos don't go too crazy over the Reebok wave, but this Question Mid in the mocha colorway is really good. The leather quality is really good on this too. Not to be on it too much, but I'll let you see some of the leather quality right here on the uppers, a little bit on the mid foot of the shoe too. It's a good shoe. It's a good shoe, and definitely one that's gonna get some wears out of me this summer. Next up was a sneaker that was sent over from Puma. You know, I've been thankful enough to work with Puma for a long time, and even though the shoe wasn't the coolest, I just thought like the packaging was fire. So they actually sent over like this Dunkin' Donuts type box, right? So the entire collaboration is inspired by a Dunkin' Donuts collab. That's why you get like the Dunkin' Donuts logo here. You get the half-eaten donut on the top, and you also get like the Puma logo embroidered on top. But as we open this up, the actual sneaker box is even Puma and Dunkin' Donuts inspired even more. Now, I ain't gonna hold you. Shout out to my girlfriend, because before meeting her, I had no idea how amazing Dunkin' Donuts breakfast really is, because I'm not really a donut guy. But yo, they got like these grab to go kind of like breakfast wraps. Amazing, bro. And they like 2 for $2. You cannot beat it, bro. The sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast to go wrap. If you know what I'm talking about, comment down below. Anyway, if you do go out and buy some donuts, your donut box will kind of look something exactly like this. So they still stay with the theme of Dunkin' Donuts. They gave me like the Dunkin' Donut themed box, but as we open this up, it's a basketball sneaker inside. Puma basketball, in my opinion, is without a doubt at the forefront of kind of like innovating right now. I think like the LaMelo is doing really well. The J. Cole Dreamer is really good. They got some other brand athletes they're supposed to be giving signature sneakers to. This one, I believe, is just like a regular, I think it's like a Clyde, if I'm not mistaken. What is this? It doesn't say. Oh, actually it's a GV Special Dunk. As you can see, it got the Dunkin' colorway on here, but even cooler is once I get closer, you can kind of see like the words Dunkin' Donuts kind of running through the upper of the shoe. It's actually going around the entire upper. Like I said, it's kind of to a theme where like it was very, how can I say, collaborated focused. So it's probably not the coolest sneaker to wear just going about, but when you look at the history and you look at like the idea of the collaboration, I thought it was cool. The upper is kind of like patent leather. It got like the perforated toe box like you'll see on the Air Force One, and not to mention the only shoes that I play basketball in right now is Puma. Majority of that has to do with like the way they look out for me, and I do get like majority of all like the Melos and the J. Cole Pumas, but after trying them on, after I got them for free, I might admit, it changed my mind to the point where they are the only shoes that I hoop in. Like literally, I have every J. Cole Dreamer, I have every LaMelo Ball shoe, and I'm doing a lot more basketball content on my second channel, which will always be linked down below if any of you guys want to check out some basketball related content I do. Next up, man, we got a sneaker that I picked up from StockX, which I'm very, very excited about. I don't often buy from StockX, so when I do, it gotta be one of them ones. By my people who already know the box, for my box demons out there who knows what's in every box, it's only one box like this, and if you know what's in this box, you already know I finally pulled the trigger on the Drake Hot Step, the Nike Hot Step Drake collaboration, all white. You know, I believe it's 3 colorways out there. I believe it's the all white, then I think it's like an all black, and I even believe it's like a black and yellow or black and gold coming out soon. I had my eye on this one for a minute. Now I know people call these like the K-Swiss joints, and they say they corny, say they bulky. In my opinion, it's an all white dash shoe with a little bit of hype to it, and I think it's clean. The leather quality is pretty good. I just wanted something cool and all white for the summer, and I had my eye on these for a minute. Now, bad thing about StockX, bro, I never put a bid in for anything in my life, unless it was like eBay. But StockX, they like never get rid of your bid. I put a bid in for $290 on this shoe. At the time, it was being sold for $400. I didn't think it was worth $400. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. My bid was accepted like 2 months later, and I literally forgot all about it. And it came to my door, and I'm like, yo, what is this? I didn't buy nothing from StockX. Open up the box, and it's these. I go to my StockX history, and somebody accepted my bid. Even though I literally forgot I even put the bid in, I'm not sad that it went through because I think these are pretty cool, man. I'm gonna be wearing these for sure this summer. Of course, we cutting that StockX tag off. You know what I'm saying? Kids, do not wear shoes with the StockX tag, because what y'all trying to do is like insinuate like, look, my shoes is real. In actuality, majority of fake shoes nowadays come with StockX tags attached to them. You know, that's like the best way to make people put their guard down when they see like some type of, you know, verification, authentic guarantee. The first thing you think is these can't be fake. So they kind of putting fake StockX tags on real shoes. Well, they're putting fake StockX tags on fake shoes to make you feel more at ease. So it really don't even help your purpose, bro. Like when I see StockX tag on the shoe, I still think they fake these days. Like I ain't gonna hold you. But we're not gonna get into the whole fake StockX scandal, the Nike StockX thing. I mean, hey, I ain't gonna get into it, man. I'm gonna gracefully bow out of that. But in my opinion, I saved the vest for the very, very last. And that is, drum roll please, you know what I'm saying? The Joe Freshgood New Balance collaboration. This one right here is, I believe it is the Inside Voices, if I'm not mistaken. I kind of get confused with the names, but this is one of those shoes that I actually won off of Instagram. My first time ever trying to buy a sneaker from Instagram, and it was actually completed. Like I got it. A lot of people, payments didn't go through. Some things happened. A lot of people, stuff got canceled. Like after they said they won, it got canceled. I was lucky enough for everything to be a-okay. So this is the Joe Fresh, I believe this is the 9060. Yup, the 9060, and it's called Inside Voices. Now this is my 3rd pair of Joe Fresh goods. The other 2 I had to pay resale for, but out of all 3, I think I was most excited about this pair because I thought that the colorway was kind of cool. Y'all know I've been on my dressing type. You know, I've been really in my bag, or I would say I've really been challenging myself with different fits and different looks. And when I seen like the colorway of this shoe, and I seen like the way it was presented, I thought I'd have a good time like wearing this and trying to figure out what works for me. It came out with 2 different colorways. It was this, which is more like a rush pink, and the other one I think it was like a shower blue or like a baby blue. I thought this one was a little bit cooler. I would love to have both. I'm actually still currently looking for that 2nd pair. I need both, but I think at the moment I got every one of the Joe Freshgood collabs besides the original, the OG. That was like in I was about to say 19. That was 2019. I believe I was in Chicago All-Star Weekend when they first dropped. That shit going for like $2,000, $3,000 right now. So I probably won't be getting that one. But other than that, I mean, I got the outside clothes. I got the Conversation Among Us, which was the 2002R. He also dropped the 550 with that. But now, you know, I'm able to be a part of this collaboration. I'm a big fan of New Balance, what Soleil he has going on, Joe Fresh. You know, I think they're killing it over there. So I'm excited to, you know, grab these and have these in a collection because I feel like I'm ahead of the game when it comes to this, man. A lot of people catching up though. A lot of people figuring out that, you know, New Balance is a really good shoe, but some people look at those pickups and be like, I don't know. But, however, I want y'all to comment down below, man. Let me know y'all thoughts on my newest pickups, or these W pickups, L pickups, were they decent? Or for the most part, I think like my best pickup was the New Balance. I think the sleeper though, the sleeper out of all those, the Mochas. The Mochas gotta be the sleeper out of all those, bro, because I feel like everybody kinda like turned a blind eye to what Reebok has going on, which isn't, you know, I'm gonna just say like, don't sleep, man. You know, I've been working with Reebok very closely. I did some things with them All-Star Weekend this year, or last year I should say. Matter of fact, wait, that was this year, wasn't it this year? Yeah, it was All-Star Weekend this year, and I've been able to be a part of some great things that they got planned in the future. So I know they got some great things coming. So does Puma, and yeah, man, I'm just excited to give y'all more content. If y'all want more videos like this, which is basically the sneakers that I collect or the sneakers that I buy that usually won't make a solo vid, I can do, you know, videos like this where I kind of save them and then kind of present them to y'all just like this. So let me know down below in the comments. But until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. Thank y'all so much for watching. Subscribe, man. Help me get to 120,000 on this channel. Until next time, man, you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but really put in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.